Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up watch time. First, navigate to your content creation dashboard. Locate the Analytics section, which provides a comprehensive overview of your performance. Here, you'll find various metrics, including your total watch time. Understanding this initial data is key to setting effective goals and tracking your progress. To optimize your watch time, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content. Ensure your videos have a compelling hook within the first 15 seconds to prevent viewers from clicking away. Structure your content logically, keeping segments concise and interesting. Remember, longer, engaging videos often contribute more significantly to overall watch time. Regularly analyze your watch time data in your analytics dashboard. Pay close attention to audience retention graphs, which show exactly where viewers stop watching. This insight helps you refine future content. Also, check your traffic sources to see how viewers are finding your content, allowing you to double down on effective promotion strategies. To further boost your watch time, implement strategic growth tactics. Promote your content consistently across all relevant social media channels. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to tap into their audience. Actively engage with your viewers in the comments section and through live streams to build a loyal community that keeps coming back for more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.